Hello there guys! For today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove objects using a contextual taskbar in Photoshop Beta. Also, we will dive deeper into using selection tool like rectangular Marquee Tool and brush selection tool. Not only that, we are also going to use remove button under contextual taskbar. So let's get started. Well, in our document, I prepared here this model, and our goal here is to remove some of the distractions behind the subject. So the first step we're going to do here is we're going to make use of the Marquee tool. Well, to do that, going on to the toolbar, let's go and find this icon. Yes, this is the rectangular Marquee tool, because our first goal here is to create a selection. So let's say I'm going to create a selection on this car over here, right? Then release, I already have the selection. Then let's go to the contextual taskbar, and we may be able to use the remove button. All right, so once I click that, we're going to remove the distractions instantly. And there you go. How convenient is that? And another thing here, once we did that, looking on the layers panel, it created a new layer on top. So if we hide this one is the before and this one is the after. It preserves our original photo. And by the way, if you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my videos to other nerds like us. Well, let's try that one again. So make sure that you select on the background layer. Let's create a selection from the objects that you want to remove on your photo. Now let's create a selection like this, and then let's go to the contextual taskbar and select remove. And that's how easy it is. I'm also going to introduce to you the new tool in the new versions of Photoshop. Well, we call this one as the brush selection tool. So going on to the toolbar, let's go here. This icon is what we call the brush selection tool. Once I click that, we use this one for creating selection by brushing. How does it work? So let's go here. I'm going to click and drag. As you have noticed here that there's a pink highlight. There you go. Now that means that's the one that are selected. Or we can also do it like this. Once we have this highlight selection, let's go down here and find the hand tool. Click on the hand tool. Once I did that, it turns into a selection like this. Then we can already now go to the contextual taskbar and select remove button. And there you go. So same thing. Let's keep on using that selection brush. Create a highlights on this subject here behind. Release. Now go to the toolbar. Click on the hand tool. So that's the selection is. Then click remove button. And there you go. Now trying to notice on the layers panel, it created a lot of layers. Well, my tip here, we can just merge these layers, right? So press on this layer, press shift, hold it, and click. Make sure that all these layers are selected. Then press Ctrl plus E to merge the layer. So let me show you the before and after. This one is the before, and this one is the after. And that is how to remove objects using contextual taskbar in Photoshop Beta.